Saturn losing its rings, asteroids impacting Earth, and outside stars entering our solar system. The future of the universe is impossible for us to witness, but still, let me show you a tiny glimpse of it. 500,000 years from now, an asteroid with the size of at least 1 kilometer will hit Earth. The asteroid would cause wildfires that would stretch across continents. The ash would block out the sun, triggering global cooling and collapsing ecosystems. The asteroid would not be quite big enough for global extinction. For that, it would have to be at least 5 kilometers in diameter. For reference, the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs was 10 kilometers big. If we exist that far in the future, we probably would have already figured out a solution to asteroid impacts and colonized other planets and even star systems, so humanity as a whole would definitely not be at risk. Now, to be clear, this isn't a scheduled hit, but statistically Earth gets slammed by a 1 kilometer asteroid about once every 500,000 years. It's not a question of if, but when. The star Gliese 710 is headed towards us right now. And in about 1.3 million years, it will enter the Oort cloud, which is the outer layer of the solar system, where trillions of icy comets and asteroids sleep. It will come in at about 0.1 light years from Earth. While the star won't collide with any planets or disrupt us directly, because of its gravity, it will stir up possibly millions of asteroids and comets, sending them flying right to the inner solar system, which could result in a comet shower lasting thousands of years. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, and Mars is actually pulling Phobos in. So, in about 30 million years, Phobos will either crash into Mars or break up before it crashes. In case it breaks up, it will result in a ring system around the red planet, lasting for millions of years. While other planets will gain rings, Saturn will say farewell to its rings in about 300 million years. Rings are not a solid structure. They are made up of millions of small rocks and dust, and in Saturn's case, these are slowly falling towards the gas giant. Eventually, they will be swallowed by it and leave the planet without its charming rings. The Earth has been habitable for liquid water for roughly 3 billion years, and in that time, a wide variety of life evolved, including us, but it's not that long until the Earth becomes uninhabitable again. In 1 billion years, the sun will be 10% brighter than today. Does it sound like a lot? Well, it's enough to boil the oceans, dry out the atmosphere, and turn the Earth into a dead desert rock. Planets further out will become habitable, possibly making Mars or even Saturn's moon Titan tropical. And if you want to learn more about Titan, I suggest you watch my video about the moon. But for now, until next time.